Ladies and gentlemen, happy Chinese New Year. We're 10 minutes till midnight. There's been fireworks going off non-stop for the last all day. I'm just going to go on a little adventure. You can hear them in the background. Sounds like a war zone. I'm going to see if we can find some spectacular sights. Alright, we have made it out of the gate. We're out of jail. It's Oh shit, we're under attack. Man down, man down. Fall for cover, fall for cover. Oh, there's a fire. We got fire. Hey, we got fireworks. Fire. Fireworks. Oh, Jesus, that's not good. Go, 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 go. What? Never seen it so quiet. No cars. Everybody's out and about, but not about. You know, they're all hiding in the nooks and crannies. What? Oh, I need a fireworks store. I've got to find a fireworks store. There's got to be one here somewhere. Oh, everyone's hiding. It's like a lockdown. Oh, it's all happening. Yes. Yes, give me more. Come on. Oh. Ladies and gentlemen, we're here at the pre-game. We're just deciding what to do. We've got some fireworks going off next to the hospital. And here we go. Man comes in with a lighter. Just quickly. Here we go. Car comes past. We've got some malfunctions. What's going on, guys? What's going on? You didn't get your game plan together before we started. That's what's wrong. Hey? He's too scared. Disappointing. We're 1 minute till Chinese New Year. Oh, you didn't expect that one. Ladies and gentlemen, fantastic stuff here, fantastic. Sit in, Tyler! They got the old security guard back here. Hey, yeah, we're good. That was quite a spectacle, I must admit. Very loud. We're gonna go get some more action. Holy shit. Happy New Year, everyone. Oh, beautiful. Chinese New Year in Guangzhou province. Alright, we're going to go to the bridge because we'll get a good... Oh, jeez, it's smoky up here. Hang on a second, I need to turn you around. Something's going on. Oh, it smells beautiful. Oh, through the debris. Oh, there we go. Some over there. Oh, there's some coming up. Over here. Over there. Oh, look at this. Lovely. Oh, Sydney, you got to up your game next year. The countryside of Guangzhou is just destroying it. I think those are going off at my training base. I better go check my dormitory's not on fire. We're on the home straight. Oh, work health and safety, eat your heart out, I tell you what. Oh, I think these ones are going off from where I live. Hang on a minute. Coming to you live. Oh man, I just missed them. What the hell? Oh, from the big rich house, that's why. You guys got too much money. There's my home away from home here in China. It's all happening. Look at that. Just non-stop fireworks here, just everywhere. It's just crazy. Oh. Deer in headlights, deer in headlights. Welcome back, folks, to another exciting episode of Firework Hunters. We're having a field day tonight. I tell you what, they're everywhere. They're everywhere. Outrageous. Outrageous.
It's still happening. It's going crazy. Well, I can't even. You can stop. Jeez.
Just going back across the bridge, get some fresh air. Yeah, the pollution levels just increased tremendously. Visibility's gone down. Oh my gosh. Put your hazard lights on, folks.
Sorry about all the snap stories, but you know, if you like fireworks, then this is basically the most exciting day. Oh, here's the big one. No, oh, this one. Oh, weak. So weak. There we go. Come on. These guys had big ones before. What's going on, guys? You run out of money? Yeah, those ones. They,
Possibly my favourite part about all this is this right here. This is like farmland. All this is all farm, rows and rows of crops, and these cheeky bastards on their rooftop. Look at these guys living to the. Don't worry about fire safety or setting anyone neighbours. If you don't like your neighbour, there's a chance you're going to burn them down. It's like this is pure fantastic. Just sticking it to the man. Apparently, it's illegal to do this. I just drove past 4 policemen who were really enjoying the show, so who knows? I think we're onto something. We've got evidence. Get it through here. Jesus. Yeah. Let me get through here. Aha. Aha.
We've now just entered Party Central. That is the local KFC. It is absolutely jam-packed with partygoers here. As you can see, the atmosphere is absolutely electrifying. Fantastic.